Welcome to Inspire DIY. My name is Max, and today I'm going to be sharing you on how I make this easy and creamy potato salmon soup. So first off, I'm going to be adding in some olive oil and then saute some onions in there. Then I'm going to be adding some garlic and then basically having all the herbs and aromatics, which is going to really bring this soup together. This is a good and simple one-pot dish because it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Now make sure you saute them for a good few minutes before adding in the potatoes. I used about 2 large potatoes for this, but you can use as much or as little as you like. Now adding some soup stock to the pot. You can use any kind you like. Here I use the chicken, and it can be either store-bought or homemade. It's really up to you. I'm not your mom. You can decide. Bring the pot to the boil, then simmer the potatoes until it's fully cooked. Then I'm simply going to be removing the herbs because I don't want that in there. So obviously the secret to making this dish is using potato because it's starchy, so that it will thicken up the soup just naturally. But also to make it even creamier, we're going to be stick blending all the potatoes that are left inside so that it becomes really thick in consistencies. Now for the final touch, I'm basically adding in the salmon last because I want the textures to still be firm and yet just barely cooked. And I'm also adding in some fresh dill just to bring all the herbs and aroma together. I think I got too hungry after finishing the recording, and I even forgot to take the photos of how it looks like on the plate, but basically that's really it. Remember, to make this dish really good, you definitely want to use a lot of herbs, and it really comes down to what type of soup stock or broth that you use. But overall, I really enjoy this quick and easy one-pot meal, and it's really easy to make. Thanks for watching.